Welcome to English Grammar class, dear students. So I will start the lesson after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So, dear students, please open up page number 22. We are reading chapter number 4, Articles. Today we are going to read uses of definite articles on page number 22. The definite article is used before a noun that is one of its kind. For example, the Pope might visit India. The moon is very bright tonight. So both Pope and moon are one of its kind. So we have used definite article which is the. Before a noun when we have already mentioned it in a sentence. For example, a boy fell from a mango tree. The boy was taken to a nearby hospital. So we have already mentioned a boy in the first line. So when we are mentioning it again, we have used definite article the. Before a noun which is made definite by using a qualifying phrase or clause. For example, the boy in the corner is my brother. So we have used a phrase here which is in the corner. So we will use definite article the before the noun boy. The child in red is very cute. So the noun is child and the qualifying phrase is in red. So we have used the definite article the. This is the place where we first met. So now the clause is where we first met. So the noun is place and we have used the definite article the before it. Fourth rule is before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it. For example, they are playing in the lawn. So now both the speaker, the person who is speaking, and listener, the person who is listening, are familiar. Familiar means they know about that particular place. They both know about the lawn. So this is why we have used the definite article the before lawn. Mother is in the kitchen. So both the speaker and the listener knows about the kitchen. They know where their kitchen is. So we have used the definite article the before it. Fifth is before ordinals. Ordinals are first, second, third, etc. And superlatives. Also before same and only. For example, I accepted the first offer. So we have used definite article the before first. I read the same book that you read. So we have used the definite article before same. Because we can use definite article before the same and only. To represent a whole class of animals or things. For example, the cow gives us milk. So the cow, we are representing a whole class of animals here. The camel rarely drinks water. We have used the camel because we are representing the whole class of camels here. Before an adjective of quality to represent a category of people. For example, the brave are admired. So we are using the adjective here which is brave and we have used the before this adjective. The rich should help the poor. So again we are using the adjective rich and poor and we are using the definite article the before these adjectives. Before the names of seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands, deserts, ranges of mountains, gulfs and bays, poles, etc. For example, the Red Sea, the Himalayas, the Ganga River, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the North Pole, the Sahara Desert. Ninth is before names of countries that have the words United or Republic in them or have plural names. For example, the United States of America. So this country have the word United in it. So we have used the definite article the before it. The Philippines. Now Philippines is in plural form. So this is why we have used the before it. The Netherlands. Again this is in plural form. So we have used the before it. The Republic of Seychelles. So again this is in plural form and we have used the before it. Before the names of a few important books, magazines and newspapers. For example, the important book is Bible, so we will write the Bible. The Mail Today, this is a newspaper. The Vedas, the Quran, the Hindustan Times. So we have used the definite article the before the name of important books, magazines and newspapers. 11th rule is before musical instruments. For example, he plays the tabla. Now tabla is a musical instrument. So we have used definite article the before this musical instrument. Diti plays the flute beautifully. Flute is again a musical instrument and we have used the definite article the before it. 12th rule is before a proper noun. Proper noun means names of people or things. If it represents a particular class of people or if it is defined by some defining clause or phrase. So when a proper noun is representing a particular class of people, important people, or defining a clause or phrase, then we will use definite article the before it. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Now the proper noun is Shakespeare and it is representing a particular class of people. So we will use the before the name of Shakespeare. Arjun is the Tendulkar of our local cricket team. Now Tendulkar is a proper noun and we will use the definite article the before it. Next topic is repetition of the articles. So how you can repeat the articles in a sentence which is grammatically correct. Repetition of an article changes the meaning of a sentence. So whenever you are repeating an article in a sentence, it can alter the meaning of a sentence, which means it can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, I have a red and white shirt. Now here we have used the article A before red and white shirt. Now what is this representing? It is representing that I have a shirt with two colors, red and white. That I have a shirt of two colors with red and white. Now the second sentence is I have a red and a white shirt. Now what is it representing? It is representing that I have two shirts, one of red color and other of white color. So what's the difference? In the first sentence we have used the article A before red and white shirt. But in the second sentence we have used article A before red and after the and before white. So we have used the article A two times here. So the uses of article can change the meaning of a sentence. First one is representing that I have one shirt which is of red and white color. Second one is representing I have one red color shirt and one white color shirt. So how much difference it can make when you are using the article at a different place. So that's all for today, dear students. All the very best.